Hi, I'm William Sutphin, Vice President of HHHunt Homes. Our business area encompasses the design, building, sales, and warranty of single-family homes, townhomes, and condominiums. To us, construction is more than just building a home. There are several aspects including finding lots, intentionally designing floor plans, and staying up to date with the latest trends in home building. We meet our suppliers to ensure that we're getting the best deals on construction material, savings that reflect in the sales price of the home. Our on-site construction managers are vital to our success. They oversee all the aspects of new home project from start to finish. They plan budgets, allocate resources, and supervise other workers. Our construction managers have extensive experience in working in various aspects of the industry. This helps them confidently oversee projects, in addition to ensuring the homes are built on time, on budget, and under strict building codes. Our construction team members are the conduit to our new homeowners. They meet with our homeowners regularly to give them construction updates on their new homes and answer any questions they may have. These dynamic individuals play a significant role in our customer satisfaction.